Hey, good morning. EagleSong Gardener here. I'm at RavenCroft Garden and I'm doing a little video here of the box garden garlic. This is a small 4-foot by 3-foot garlic patch that was planted in the fall of 2020, and this is now June 30th, 2021. And I'm going to do a little tutorial on garlic harvesting. It's a beautiful time to harvest the garlic. This garlic is doing great. It has been, just went through 102, 103 degree, about 3 days of over 100 degrees here in Western Washington. And still the garlic is really doing wonderful. The brown leaves might seem to cause some concern, but really the truth is I know the garlic is starting to ripen or mature underground. So let's look at some of these bulbs. When these leaves on the garlic start to go brown like this, it indicates that the outside paper coat is starting to mature and get papery. So here we have one that was just harvested, just pulled from the ground. Right next to it is one that was pulled, and the bottom two leaves here have been stripped off, and so now we get this beautiful clean garlic. And this is what the garlic looks like inside. And truthfully, we had too much garlic last year, so we didn't eat it all in the winter. And that's good for us because we start to feed it to the goat earlier in the summer, and now we have a brand new batch ready. But I started eating the garlic about 2 weeks ago so that we could enjoy the taste of this delicious green garlic, the early garlic. It's not so pungent and fiery as the late summer garlic, and it just brings a really nice taste into the table right at this time of year. So you can see all those small cloves are starting to form, and the paper wrappers are beginning to mature around them. So the garlic will be pulled and it will not be cleaned. It will be left like this, and it will be bunched up in bunches of 5 or 6, and then we'll hang them in the shade to dry. And this is a jar of garlic scape vinegar. The garlic scapes on hard-nicked garlic are the top sets where these will form into garlics. You want to harvest those, you have to take them off if you want the bulb to mature properly. And so it's a great harvest early in the season to get garlic into your food at this time of the year. So those are some of the things you can do with your garlic in your garlic harvest. And remember, all of these bulbs here have the potential to become garlic for next year. Each one of the cloves in this head of garlic is a seed. I select for the largest cloves to plant back because I want large cloved garlic. And I'd really love to hear from someone who has good, hot tasting, good keeping garlic that has large cloves. I'm looking for a new garlic to add to this garlic that we like so much here at RavenCroft Garden. So if you have any ideas, you can put them in the comments below. We would love to have you come over to EagleSong-Gardener.com if you want to know more about how you can bring herbs and food into your daily diet for health, vitality, and with any luck, a long and abundant life. All right, EagleSong signing off from RavenCroft Garden. Hey, we'll see you down the road. Come visit us at EagleSong-Gardener.com and see what you can do to enhance your journey of life with plants, herbs, and the great outdoors.